What's up and welcome back? It's DFT's channel. Today I'm unboxing and first look the Vivo S5. Last 24 hour I'm using this device. How is it? My usage experience, everything share with this video. Okay, first remove the plastic wrappers and then look the box. Okay, the box front side is a S5 name tag only here, no more information. Okay, let's open the box. Um, okay, just a minute. On the storage variant, no mention the back side. Yeah, the box top side is mentioned. It's a 8 GB RAM and 128 GB variant. Also, this phone is not 5G, it's a 4G LTE model. Yeah. Okay, inside the box front side mobile phone here. Mostly I like this device. Reason it's a tiny punch hole and the color also is a diamond squad type the camera setup. Okay, let's remove the plastic wrappers and the sound like it's amazing and good feeling. Wow, it's cool. Wow, guys, its color is really amazing. It's left and right side is the white color, center is slightly blue. It's cool. Okay, let's look the what's inside the box more. On more one more mini box here, mini box inside, type C cable and free case, simulating pin here. More main box inside, earphone and 30 watt supporting AC adapter here. It's US version AC adapter. Okay, on overall box inside, headphone, type C cable, AC adapter, free case, simulating pin, everything here. Okay, let's look the phone. Okay, the phone main reason to buy it's a diamond squad type camera. I really like this camera setup. Cool, right? Okay, let's look the phone side by side, full overview. Then I'm share my experience. The phone display is a 6.44 inches Full HD plus resolution Super AMOLED display. Display top right side, it's a tiny punch hole camera here. Yep, the punch hole notch. This tiny punch hole inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. On the phone back side is the quad camera setup. It's a diamond squad type camera setups here. It's a main camera. It's 48 megapixel. Secondary is on small 2 megapixel macro lens, and third one is 8 megapixel ultra wide. Last one is the 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the phone right side is the power button and volume rocker keys. On phone top and bottom side, top is the 3.5 jack, secondary noise cancellation mic, bottom side type C ports, speaker cables and SIM. Processor Snapdragon 712. Lot of the mobiles available on the market. Vivo Saturn and Saturn X, Saturn X Pro. Lot of the mobiles available on the same processor. Also, we know the is the best processor for the gaming and overall usages. Last one day I'm using this device. Is really good experience. Do gaming. Yeah, I'm just 1 hour playing the PUBG game. It's really good experience in mine. I'm playing with maximum level settings. Camera samples also. Camera is really good. And main camera is a 48 megapixel. It's working really good. But the main disappointment is the price. It's 28,000. It's really not worth. Guys, the same specifications mostly using the Vivo Saturn and Saturn X. The price only 50,000 and 60,000. But this device price is 28,000. Much better you buy Realme X2 Pro, OnePlus 7 and the Redmi K20. It's my personal preference. This phone is really good. The camera, gaming and perform processor is really good. But the price is really unbreakable. Guys, it's the 28,000. It's useless. My opinion only. What do you think, guys? It's only your opinions to buy this device or not. Okay, let's look at some camera samples.
Over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long, you felt the heat.